Welcome, guys. So if you log in into your seller account, this is what you are going to see first. This affiliate link, your affiliate link. So you can easily set up your bank details, and also if you have a course of your own, you can add the products. But you are not going through this. This your affiliate link, you are going to click on the view. Now for you to view it, so that you'll be able to copy your affiliate link. You're only promoting one product. So this is just the product you are promoting. So you're having 50% commission on this product, and the product is called the UDM and LGM workshop. You can get, so this is your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. So anybody who purchase this course with this link, you will automatically have 50% commission on it. So this course is 15k. So if anybody purchase this course with your affiliate link, you are going to be having 7,500 naira. So if you are selling it to 5 people per week, you should calculate how much that is in a month. That is a very big money. So that is how it works. So you can easily copy copy the link address and shorten it. I'm going to teach you how to shorten links and rebrand links. So let's view it. Let's view it. So this is the course. This is the course, the UDM and LGM workshop. UDM and LGM workshop. So people can easily view it. So this is the course. Although I'm not supposed to use this direct, but I'm currently having a problem with my sales page on Selar, but it will be rectified before the end of this month. Should be rectified. So this is still usable. It's still usable, and it is very converting. People will buy as long as they go through the message. People will buy. So you can easily go through the message to pick one or two points from it to get the full details of what the course is all about. Go through it, jot something down about what the course is all about. So you can easily jot something down. We are going to see module 1. In module 1, I'm talking about the introduction. Module 2, so these are what you should take note of while promoting this course. But I'm going to be sending you different materials. You are just going to copy and paste it on your social media platform. So that is just the way to work. And I'm going to teach you the sales funnel strategy I do use to generate more sales on this. So welcome, guys. So that is all for this video. Thank you.